On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store payment method problem easily and fast. All what you have to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, open the apps, and now you have to search for Google Play Store between all those apps. As you can see, just click on the search bar and search for Google Play like this, and now click on the Google Play Store and click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, click on data usage, scroll down, disable all the data usage options and enable them again. Go back, click on the power usage details and click here on this force stop to stop the power analysis. Now restart your phone, reopen Play Store, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.